Disney bedroom would you sleep in? Toy Story room. This is the only room you'll sleep in for the rest of your life. Choose wisely. Mickey Mouse room. Share this with your